Hi friends, good afternoon. Yeah, today is Thursday, 22nd of October 2020, and the time now is 12:15 in the afternoon. So now I'm pouring strip 4 and 5, and calculated volume is this one here. So the width is 0.44 meters by 1.195 meters length, and the thickness is 70 mil or 0.07 meters multiplied by 1000 liters per cubic meter. It's equivalent to 36 liters, and multiplied by 1.1, which is a 10% factor, and the total is 40 liters. So that's the volume required for this strip 5 and 6. And same thing as previous pouring. I put the strip in here to separate 3, 5 and 6, but I'm going to remove this timber board when these sides matches together. I mean, if there's a concrete on this side and there's concrete on this side, so this soft board already stable to stand alone. Yeah, that's the purpose of that soft board, as it's to separate between strip 5 and strip 6. And the reason why I put this concrete chips is to prevent the flowing of the concrete inside the underfloor. So when I pour this side, I just pour it slowly. Okay. And this one, this side is still vacant. This is for water channel. Yeah, and there's another strips after this, which is 7 and 8, which is wider than these two. It's almost similar width on that strip 1 and 2. Yeah. Alright friends, I'm going to prepare the concrete mix now, and the calculated volume is 40 liters, so that's about 4 bags of builder's mix. Okay, thank you so much, and please stay with me, and yeah, see you soon. Please be safe. By the way, the weather is so nice today, so it's ideal for doing concrete works. Okay,